So here I am going to discuss what is meant by Google Forms. So first of all, Google Forms, it is generally survey administration tool, also called as app, which is included in Google Drive suite. So you can use that Google Forms for creating surveys, creating quiz, and the response of the quiz as well as surveys are collected in the spreadsheet at the Google Drive, so that this can be used for further processing. So it is nothing but the Google Forms are very useful tool for assessment purpose. So you can create surveys or quiz, and based on the responses from the users, you can collect it and you can analyze it in terms of Google Sheets. Now I will show you how to use the Google Forms in the best way. So first of all, go to Gmail and log in into Gmail. So this is the login page of the Gmail. Type password. So this will take you to the Gmail account. So this is the Gmail account. Now see here Google Apps. So click on this and from there select Drive. So it is a Google Drive. So where I can create the forms or Google Form. Suppose I am creating the new folder, Google Form. Okay, create. So I am opening it. Now here I will create the Google Form. So right click, then click on more and click on Google Forms. So this is nothing but a Google Form as a survey or as a quiz you can use. Suppose I want to create this quiz in Google Form. So there are 5 questions in this quiz and I want to create using Google Form. So this is nothing but untitled form. So I will write the name of then option as Chennai. So that is nothing but a question with multiple options. If suppose I want to add some image, so I can add image for that question. So you can browse it and you can put for this particular city or similarly for that question. Now it is a duplicate. You can duplicate the question. If suppose your next question is of same type, means multiple choice, there are 4 options, then you can duplicate it. You want to delete it, then you can delete it. And if this question is not compulsory yet, if you want to make it compulsory required, then click on this, it is required, so that unless and until the student is not giving the answer for that particular question, the form will not be submitted. So that is the limit question 1. So you can duplicate this, or from here you can add the question. So I am duplicating this. So what is capital of India? It is duplicated. Now what is the second question? So what is the capital of Maharashtra? So I will put that, Control V. So I will change the options also. Nanded. Okay. So this is also required question. So you can again duplicate the question. So third question you will have, what is the unit of time? This is the third question. So now it is required. Again you can add a few more questions. So there are 2 more questions I want to add. Bird. So I will write peacock, then I will sparrow, then crow, and one more question, and then ox. Suppose those are the options. Now the quiz is created. You can also import the questions. You can click from previous forms. You can directly select the questions also. So that is also possible. So it is title and description you can add. You can add the images. You can add the video. You can add the section. Suppose there are 5 questions I have created, or I have those 5 questions in my quiz. Now you can create the response. You can create new spreadsheet. So quiz responses, create. You can see that this is created in the drive. So timestamp, then this one. Few more things you must add in the quiz. So that is nothing but you can add it. Now you can see this question came at the last, so you can drag it to the first. You can drag it. You can change the location also. Suppose name of student. Now name of student is not multiple choice, it is automatically taken as a short answer. So you can if not taken, then you can change, but it is short answer type of question. You can have this as a required one. Then add this roll number of student. So it is taken as a short answer. So short answer, it is required. Now quiz is completed. Now you can change the theme from this customized theme, which color you want. See, you can see the color is changed. Then you can select the image. Suppose I'm changing the image. Insert. So header, the image is changed, so you can change the image of the header also. Background color, whatever color you want, you can have. Font style, so you can select the font style. So those are the theme options available, so you can change those themes from this customized theme. Then you can see the preview of the quiz, how that quiz will look. So this is nothing but how the quiz will look, and the student can write here. They can select the option from that, and they can finally submit it. Then this is the setting. So you can send see the settings are, you can have the collect email addresses setting. You can limit one response. You can have the edit after submit, see summary charts and text responses. Then you can shuffle the questions. Suppose the question number, this is the first question, what is the capital of India? So you can shuffle that question from this. Shuffle the question, then show progress bar, then shuffle the questions, save. Then for quiz, you can make this as a quiz. Okay, so assign point value to question and allow auto grading. You can keep the auto grading on, or you can keep it as off. Suppose I am keeping this as auto grading on. So when he will get the so whenever you are keeping the auto grading on, the person will get the result immediately after each submission or later after manual review. Missed questions, correct questions, point, respondent can see. Save. Now once you click this quiz as a auto grading, at that time it will ask for the answer key. Answer key, what is the capital of India? This is the answer key. Click on answer key and then select. So give points as per your requirement. This is the answer key, done. Then what is the capital of India? Answer key is selected. Then what is capital of Maharashtra? Answer key. Now responses, yet we have not any responses. Now I will show you how that person will get the answers or get the score. Now you can send this quiz to your student. Click on send. You can send by email. You can type the email addresses and you can invite, or you can send this link. This is the long link. You can shorten the link. This is the link short. You can copy it and you can send it via various options like mail or WhatsApp. Now this is nothing but the view at the student side. So student can submit the quiz. So name of the student, then roll number of student, then what is the capital of India? So you can select the Delhi, Maharashtra, Mumbai. So what is the unit of time? So you can select the unit. What is the national bird and national animal? Now he can submit the answers. After submitting, he can view the score. So click on it. So he got the 4 out of 5. So this is nothing but the wrong answer he has given, and remaining answers are correct. The sender will see the responses, or the teacher will see the responses of all the quiz submitted. He will click on responses. So here he will get the insights. What is the average marks, median, what is the range of marks, frequently missed questions, then this particular thing he will see. Also click here to see the responses in a sheet. Click on it. So this is nothing but a sheet where responses can be seen. So answers, you will get the answers, the roll number, student, name of the student, and score. So he can see, or he can save the scores in single sheet, and from these responses he can see the responses. So this is nothing but how we can create the quiz and how we can send a